Well, today is one of the saddest days of the year for us. Today Today is when we have to start putting the rig away for the year. All right, let's climb up, do a quick inspection, see if I do need to actually wash it. If not, then I'm gonna go ahead and winterize it. All right. It's always the scariest part. Is that last step up onto the roof. All right, I'm not a pro at this, but it doesn't look bad. Tell me what you think. It doesn't look terrible. There's some of my shoe prints from earlier. And looks like a little bit of a bubble there. I need to find out what that's all about. And if there's anything I can or need to do about it. Alright. Last fall, I put the Aerospace 303 on this. Anything plastic. Looks like it used another coat. Continuing on. You know what? I might just go ahead and wash it anyway. Probably wouldn't hurt before I put it away for the year. And that way I can double inspect it again in the spring. It's nice and clean. All the seals look okay. They're just a little, just dirty from the year. So far on this RV, we bought it brand new in 2019, in the spring of 2019. But we have logged over 11,000 miles on her. I will just have to check that bubble out in the front. And looks like there might be probably something under that, but the top looks pretty good. Everything looks to be solid. I don't see any of the seals that look bad. Well, that's dirty, but you know, this is the vent over the kitchen. I can clean that off later. If your RV has one of these quick connects, I highly recommend putting one of these vent covers on it. Just that little extra layer of protection. All right, these still look good. Other than bird droppings and some shoe prints by Dave, it looks okay. All right, it's dirty enough. I think I'll just give it a good washing. All right. So part of your inspection should be, of course, all the seals around the edges. And that one's still soft and pliable, but it's looking a little like it's cracking just a little bit. I can't tell if it's that or just dirt. The gutter looks like it's in good shape. So the gutter's clean. I have to get the water off the slide cover there. Those things, man, somebody needs to really create a way to keep that from sagging as much as possible. All right. Same with this one here. These are always sagging when we get water on it, and it stands there, of course. And all right, enough horsing around up here. Let's get the cleaning materials and get her washed. So what I have found so far is that, yes, it's dirty. I know that when we were camping in Lake George, I think it was, there was a lot of sap falling out from the trees. I saw it on the windshields of the truck. All right, well, the top, and it was dirty. The more I got into it, the more the water ran off dirty. And I did find some evidence of a tree sap. So it was worth the effort, and it's nice and clean. I'll have to look at the video, the before and afters. I'm kind of waiting for this area to dry up a little bit because I don't want to step down there and then make a crash landing. So yeah, it looks good. I'm happy with the way it turned out. I need to know, if anybody can tell me for sure, let me know in the comments how to identify a bad spot. I'm sure I could look it up online, but you know, if you know, let me know. All right, so for now, on Dave's rooftop of his 295 RL, have a good day. Okay, you know how you're like, yeah, job well done. And you start putting things away and you, I don't know, maybe you're getting busy recording videos, kind of forget some things. Not that I would ever do that. No, 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 no. Or did I? Yeah, yep. So Dave's climbing back up. Good thing I got the ladder. Climbing back up, grabbed the bucket, and I think I actually left the 303 up there, which I'm not gonna put on today. And now I'm going to have to winterize. So, all right, talk to you soon.